Withdrawing money from your Robinhood account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your withdrawal. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Account tab. Locate and tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and options. Step 3. Select Transfers. In the account menu, look for the Transfers option. Click on it to access the Transfer Funds section where you can manage your withdrawals. Step 4. Choose Withdraw. Once in the Transfers section, select the Withdraw option. This will allow you to specify the amount of money you want to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select your linked bank account. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. You should receive a notification once the transfer is processed. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank for the deposit after a few business days.